Hello everyone, welcome to my another vlog. Well, today I will show you something. I will be removing this, two bolts from here so that it can be removed easily. You can see that I have added seat cover which is from Sahara seat. The fitting is not completely done. I have to go at the seat maker. He will do it. So I have just put it like that only. Fitting needs to be done. It is quite good. So today I will be removing this. I have some two handlebars which is inclined and reach both. I will show you. It is from Carbon Racing. So I have this. So I will be removing this. I have some tools. Here I have some ratchet tools over here, which is having a link key also and bolt also. So that it can be removed. So I will be using this toolbox and this. So I will show you what I have brought. This one, the inclined one from Carbon Racing, and one more I brought it. This one. This is the simple one, straight one, and this one. I will try and check with both one which one is comfortable. Let's go again. These are the things which can be removed easily.